Namaste everyone and welcome to this podcast. I am Alina and today we are going to explore the incredible story of Kashi Vishwanath Temple, one of the most sacred places on earth, situated in the ancient city of Varanasi, a city that has witnessed thousands of years of history, faith and devotion. When people hear the name Kashi, they do not just think of a city, they think of spirituality, they think of Lord Shiva, they think of salvation and eternal peace. The word Kashi itself means the city of light, and according to ancient Hindu scriptures, this is not an ordinary city. It is believed to be the city personally chosen by Lord Shiva. Imagine a place so ancient that countless empires rose and fell around it. Yet it continued to shine with the same spiritual energy, generation after generation. According to legend, Lord Shiva wanted to create a divine place on earth where seekers could find liberation and inner peace. And so he established Kashi on the banks of the sacred river Ganga. From that moment onward, Kashi became more than a city. It became a spiritual destination for millions of devotees. People from different regions, different cultures, and different backgrounds traveled great distances just to have a glimpse of Lord Vishwanath, the Lord of the universe. The name Vishwanath itself carries a profound meaning. Vishwa means universe and Nath means Lord. Together it means the Lord who governs all existence. It is believed that Lord Shiva resides here in the form of a Jyotirlinga, a divine pillar of cosmic light. Ancient scriptures tell us a fascinating story. Once Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu entered into an argument about who was superior. And to end this dispute, Lord Shiva appeared as an endless pillar of light. Both Brahma and Vishnu searched for the beginning and the end of that light, but neither could find it. At that moment, they realized that Shiva was infinite, beyond time, beyond space, and beyond human understanding. The Jyotirlinga at Kashi Vishwanath represents that same infinite divine energy. For thousands of years, devotees have stood before the sacred Jyotirlinga with folded hands, offering prayers, hopes, dreams, and gratitude. As centuries passed, Kashi became a center of learning, spirituality, and culture. Saints meditated here, scholars discussed philosophy here, and ordinary people came seeking extraordinary blessings. The ghats echoed with the sound of Vedic chants. Temple bells rang throughout the day, and the fragrance of incense filled the air. But the journey of Kashi Vishwanath Temple was not always easy. Throughout history, the temple faced many challenges, invasions occurred, structures were damaged, and difficult times came and went. Yet something remarkable happened every single time. The temple was rebuilt. The faith of the people never disappeared. Because true devotion cannot be destroyed by stone or brick being broken. It lives inside the hearts of believers. Generations came forward to preserve the sacred heritage of Kashi. Among them was the great Queen Ahilyabai Holkar, whose devotion and vision played a crucial role in rebuilding the temple that devotees see today. Her contribution is remembered with immense respect, because she ensured that the spiritual light of Kashi continued to shine brightly for future generations. As time moved forward, another significant contribution came from Maharaja Ranjit Singh, who donated gold for the temple's magnificent spires. Today, when sunlight falls upon those golden domes, the temple appears to glow with divine brilliance. Many devotees describe their first glimpse of the Golden Temple as an unforgettable moment. And just a short distance away flows the sacred river Ganga. The connection between Lord Shiva and Mother Ganga is one of the most beautiful aspects of Hindu tradition. According to mythology, when the mighty river descended from heaven, Lord Shiva received her in his matted locks to protect the earth from her immense force. Even today, pilgrims often take a holy dip in the Ganga before entering the temple, believing that the sacred waters purify both body and soul. As dawn breaks over Kashi, the city slowly awakens. Temple bells begin to ring, priests prepare for worship, and thousands of devotees gather with flowers, milk, honey, and prayers in their hands. The atmosphere becomes filled with devotion. Some people pray for success, some pray for health, some pray for happiness, while others simply sit quietly and experience the divine energy surrounding them. And perhaps that is the greatest beauty of Kashi. It welcomes everyone, the rich and the poor, the young and the old, scholars and ordinary people, all stand together before Lord Shiva as equals. As the day progresses, chants of Har Har Mahadev echo through the temple complex. For countless devotees, a visit to Kashi Vishwanath is not merely a journey to a temple. It is a journey inward, a journey toward understanding themselves and their connection with the divine. And perhaps that is the reason why people who visit Kashi often say that the city changes them in ways they cannot fully explain. Some arrive carrying worries, fears, and burdens of everyday life, but after spending time in the presence of Lord Vishwanath, they feel lighter, calmer, and more peaceful. There is something unique about the atmosphere of Kashi. As you walk through its narrow lanes, you can feel centuries of history surrounding you. Every stone seems to tell a story, every temple seems to carry a blessing, and every chant that echoes through the air seems to remind you that life is much bigger than the problems we face each day. One of the most fascinating beliefs associated with Kashi is that Lord Shiva himself whispers the sacred Tarak mantra into the ears of those who leave this world in the holy city. According to ancient traditions, this divine blessing helps the soul attain liberation, freeing it from the endless cycle of birth and death. Whether one sees this as a spiritual truth or a symbolic teaching, the message remains powerful. Life is temporary, but the soul is eternal. Everything we own, every position we hold, every achievement we celebrate will eventually fade with time. But kindness, devotion, wisdom, and good deeds remain meaningful forever. This lesson has attracted saints and seekers to Kashi for thousands of years. Many great spiritual masters spent time in this sacred city. Some came searching for knowledge, some came seeking enlightenment, and others came simply to sit quietly near the Ganga and meditate upon the mysteries of existence. As evening approaches, another extraordinary experience unfolds in Kashi. The ghats along the Ganga begin to glow with lamps and lights. Devotees gather on the river banks, priests prepare for worship, and an atmosphere of anticipation fills the air. Soon, the famous Ganga Aarti begins. The sound of bells resonates across the river, sacred hymns fill the sky, and large lamps move rhythmically as prayers are offered to Mother Ganga. For many visitors, witnessing the ceremony becomes one of the most memorable moments of their lives. Standing there, watching the flames dance against the darkening sky, hearing thousands of voices united in prayer, people often feel connected to something timeless and sacred. And this is one of the greatest gifts of Kashi. It reminds us that despite our differences, we all share the same human desire for peace, meaning, and spiritual fulfillment. In today's fast-paced world, people are constantly busy. They chase success, wealth, recognition, and endless goals. Yet many still feel empty inside. Kashi offers a different perspective. It gently teaches that true happiness does not come only from what we achieve outside, but also from the peace we cultivate within ourselves. Lord Shiva is often called the Destroyer, but this title is frequently misunderstood. Shiva does not simply destroy, he transforms. He removes ignorance and replaces it with wisdom. He removes fear and replaces it with courage. He removes attachment and replaces it with freedom. This deeper meaning is reflected throughout Kashi. The city teaches us that endings are not always something to fear. Sometimes endings create the space for new beginnings. Just as night gives way to morning and winter gives way to spring, challenges in life often prepare us for growth and transformation. Many devotees who visit Kashi pray not only for material blessings, but also for inner strength. They ask Lord Shiva to guide them through difficulties, to help them make wise decisions, and to give them the courage to face life's uncertainties. And perhaps that is why devotion to Lord Shiva remains so powerful even today. He represents both immense strength and profound compassion. He is the great ascetic who meditates in silence, and at the same time, the loving protector who listens to the prayers of his devotees. As generations have passed, the city of Kashi has continued to preserve these timeless teachings. Kings have come and gone, governments have changed, technology has transformed the world. But the spiritual heart of Kashi continues to beat with the same energy that inspired people thousands of years ago. Even today, before Sunrise, devotees line up outside the temple, waiting patiently for a glimpse of Lord Vishwanath. Some have travelled hundreds of kilometers, some have travelled thousands, and some have dreamed of this moment for many years. Yet when they finally stand before the sacred Jyotirlinga, many find themselves speechless. Words become unnecessary. The heart speaks where language cannot. And in that silent moment of devotion, people often feel a connection that transcends time, distance, and worldly concerns. This is the magic of Kashi. It is not something that can be fully described in books, photographs, or videos. It must be experienced. And once someone experiences it, a part of Kashi remains with them forever. Even after returning home, many devotees find themselves remembering the temple bells, the chants of Har Har Mahadev, the fragrance of incense, and the peaceful flow of the sacred Ganga. Days may pass, months may pass, even years may pass, but the memories of Kashi continue to live in their hearts. There is an old saying that people do not simply visit Kashi. Lord Shiva himself calls them to Kashi. Many devotees believe this with complete faith. They often share stories of how they unexpectedly got an opportunity to visit the holy city, as if an invisible force guided their journey. Whether one sees it as destiny, faith, or divine grace, the feeling remains the same. Kashi has a mysterious way of touching people's lives. As you walk through the ancient lanes of the city, you notice something extraordinary. Temples appear at every corner. The sound of prayers rises from every direction. Sadhus sit peacefully in meditation. Pilgrims chant the name of Shiva. And the entire city seems to breathe spirituality. Unlike many places where faith is limited to a particular hour or occasion, devotion in Kashi feels alive every moment of the day. From Sunrise to sunset, and even throughout the night, the city continues its timeless worship of Lord Shiva. One of the most beautiful aspects of Kashi is the lesson it teaches about simplicity. Lord Shiva is often depicted wearing simple clothes, living in the mountains, free from attachment to wealth and luxury. Yet despite the simplicity, he is worshipped as the Lord of the universe. This powerful symbolism reminds us that true greatness does not come from material possessions. It comes from character, it comes from wisdom, it comes from compassion and self-awareness. In today's world, many people compare themselves with others. They worry about who has more money, more success, or more recognition. But Kashi gently teaches a different lesson. The most valuable treasures are not found outside us. They are found within us. Peace, faith, patience, gratitude, and love. These are the treasures that remain with us throughout life. And these are the treasures that no one can take away. As night falls over Kashi, the city takes on another kind of beauty. The lights reflecting on the waters of the Ganga create a breathtaking sight. The cool breeze carries the distant sound of temple bells, and the atmosphere becomes calm, almost magical. Many visitors choose to sit quietly on the ghats. Some meditate, some pray, some simply watch the river flow. And in those quiet moments, they begin to realize something important. Life itself is like a river. It keeps moving forward. No matter what happens, it never stops. Sometimes the waters are calm, sometimes they are turbulent, sometimes they move slowly, sometimes they rush forward with great force, but they always continue their journey. The Ganga teaches us the same lesson. No matter how difficult life becomes, we must keep moving forward with faith and courage. This message has inspired millions of people throughout history. Saints found inspiration here. Poets found inspiration here. Musicians found inspiration here. And ordinary people found hope here. That is why Kashi is not only a place of worship. It is also a source of wisdom. Every lane, every temple, every ghat, and every prayer carries a lesson for those willing to listen. Perhaps the greatest lesson of all is the understanding that life is precious. Every day is a gift. Every moment is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become a better human being. Lord Shiva's teachings encourage us to live with awareness, to let go of unnecessary anger, to overcome fear, to remain humble during success, and to stay strong during difficult times. When we apply these teachings in our daily lives, spirituality becomes more than a ritual. It becomes a way of living. And this is exactly why Kashi continues to inspire generation after generation. Not because it is ancient, not because it is famous, but because its message remains relevant even today. The message that peace is found within. The message that faith can overcome fear. The message that wisdom is greater than power. And the message that every soul is connected to the divine source of creation. As we continue our journey through the story of Kashi Vishwanath, imagine the countless devotees who have stood before Lord Shiva over thousands of years. Imagine their prayers, their hopes, their dreams, their struggles, and their gratitude. Each one came with a different story, yet all found themselves united by the same devotion. The devotion to Lord Vishwanath, and even today, that sacred connection continues to inspire millions of hearts across the world. As we come to the end of this spiritual journey, I would like to leave you with one simple thought. Life will always present challenges. There will be moments of happiness, moments of struggle, moments of success, and moments of disappointment. But just as the sacred Ganga continues to flow, and just as Kashi has stood strong through thousands of years, we too must continue our journey with faith, courage, and devotion. Whenever you feel lost, remember the teachings of Lord Shiva. Stay calm in difficult situations. Stay humble during success. Stay strong during hardships. And never stop believing in yourself and in the divine power that guides you. If you ever get an opportunity, visit Kashi Vishwanath Temple at least once in your lifetime. Walk through the ancient lanes of Kashi, listen to the temple bells, feel the energy of the holy Ganga, and experience the spiritual peace that words can never fully describe. Because some places are not just visited, they are felt, they are lived. And Kashi is one of those places. If this podcast touched your heart, inspired you, or helped you learn something new about the glorious Kashi Vishwanath Temple, then please support this channel by liking this video, sharing it with your family and friends, and subscribing for more inspiring stories, spiritual journeys, and motivational podcasts. And in the comments section, tell me one thing. What does Har Har Mahadev mean to you? And have you ever visited Kashi Vishwanath Temple? Or would you like to visit someday? I would love to read your thoughts and experiences. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me today. I am Alina, and until we meet again in another inspiring journey, may Lord Shiva bless you with wisdom. May Mother Ganga bless you with purity. May your life be filled with peace, positivity, and prosperity. Keep smiling, keep growing, keep believing, and keep chanting the sacred name of Mahadev. Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next podcast. Jai Baba Vishwanath, Har Har Mahadev. Person with folded hands.